it's shaped. So the knife is here. It fits good. All I have to do after I shaped it and we deburred it, we're going to give it a nice edge. One thing I do not like is any sharp corners. Do you like sharp corners on your clothing? So anyway, if you're going to wear something, I don't think I would want it to be, you know. Sand, sand, sand. Little chamfer knife in here. Oh yeah, that is nice edge. And then maybe like some 220. Oh yeah, oh, I guess I can't show everything. So anyway, it's really hard to show everything, but very particular about my edges, very particular about fit. First, because then you can always finish it perfectly. As long as it fits right, you can finish it perfectly. So I guess with some of the things I've seen lately, they don't really need to be finished because they don't really fit properly. This one fits properly, therefore it's smooth as eggs. So we'll take some cleaner to it, get our cloth, polish the edges with a linen oil cloth that I made an oil cloth over the last umpteen years. I like G96 and Amsoil firearm lubricant. That is the only two things that I've been using. That doesn't mean they're the best. You can use anything that you use on your gun to clean or as a polishing lubricant for the edges of the plastic, which when using a linen cloth, it acts as a very fine abrasive and you can feel the edges smooth out and you have very smooth edges. Especially if you sand them properly first, deburr them, burnish them, chamfer, sand, and then sand again, and then cloth polish. So that's how you should do your edges. If you would like to do them quickly, they will be crappy. It's a shell of a sheath, but it's a nice shell. So now that we have it, we dropped it down a little bit in the front just so we can purchase the knife a little bit more when we draw it, because I want to get on it and deploy it like that. Now we'll figure out where we want to wear it.